Okay, what's up, y'all? So today I will be installing a SHEIN ponytail. This ponytail is like 24 inches, synthetic, and it was about $11. So right now I'm just putting a little heat to my hair with my little electric brush I got. I didn't want to bore y'all too much, so I went ahead and spit it up. But yeah, you want to get your hair as flat as possible because I want to do it like a high, sleek, cute little ponytail or whatever. So, now, you want to put some jam all through your hair. And I like to use the extra hold because you see my hair is so thick. So I need as much as I can use, or much as I can, as much hold as I can have. So this thing don't go nowhere. I really want the main focus to just be on my hair. So get it nice and sleek, nice and flat. I wish I had a fresh relaxer in before I did this. It would have looked way better, but it is what it is. We're gonna make it do what it do. And I tell you, this took me like a half hour just to put this, get my hair right. It takes forever. That's why I really don't like doing this, but anything for a video, right? Dang, my hair looks so shiny. So I had to come back and take off my scarf and pull it up some more. This was only like a day look. I can't keep this kind of hairstyle in that long, because my hair hurts so much. See, I needed it a couple times. It don't look the best, but it worked for what I needed to do at that point. So I kind of put my bun facing toward a little bit, so it could like have that like super high effect or whatever. Scarf back on. And girl, all you gotta do is clip that thing in. And you is ready to go out the door. Quick, easy, no gel. No glue, no wrapping it up, doing all that. I don't like that method. I just stick with my drawstring and just make it look like it's not a drawstring, you know? So yeah, you already know. You gotta wrap that thing with some hair. Make it look like an invisible pony or whatever they call it. Put that got to be on there, and boom, you in there. It's flat, it's sleek, it's cute. It's simple. Not doing too much at all. doing just enough, you know. I was going for that little high side Beyonce look when she went to the Grammys, whatever. But anyway, that's the final look. I had to go put on me a face or whatever and some brows. But yeah, Shein is the GOAT. Like, and boom.